Welcome to Pathfinders. Guys, this is my Facebook post on 29th of August, where I wrote to all my traders. I'll be selling my portfolio and sitting on cash. PE of 28.6, market looks very overheated to me. I sold everything. I was sitting on cash. And if you look at the P values from August onwards, if you see, so market was sustaining a PE of 28. This is 29th August. 28.55 was the PE of the market. And since then, the market has corrected substantially. And the latest PE of the market is 24.95. And historically, the average PE of this stock market, Nifty, has remained between 20 and 22 here. So if I look at the chart of the Nifty, this is the index that I was analyzing at that time, and this was the yearly trend of the market. So this was the daily candles, this was the yearly trend, and after that, the market started correcting. And if you see, it has been correcting substantially. Is this a crash? No, this is not a crash. Many people say this is a crash. I think this is a correction that was due in the market. You know, a very overheated, a very expensive market. Correcting 15 to 20% is normal. In fact, it is healthy for the market so that people can book profits at the higher levels and the fresh, money can enter at the lower levels. That is what is happening to the market. And here, now, this is where the market came on the yearly trend line, and now it has moved a little far away from it. And till here, as I've been telling in my previous videos also, and there are a lot of them on this channel, this looks to be the nearby target for this market, about 10,000. And, after maybe a small reversal back after this big down move, this might be a good level where people might initiate more buying into the market. And if you look at the Bank Nifty is also very similar. Dropped down, formed a triangle and a flag pattern here, and now is moving down. And I think this is another level that you can look at where maybe selling will halt and new buying will be initiated here. So the market has become, more attractive now. If I look at a very common oscillator here, and I add it, let's say the money flow index, MFI. So looking at MFI, we are seeing that MFI is, hugely into the oversold zone now, and this is when you will be finding a lot of opportunities in the market. There are stocks that have corrected 40%, 50%, even 70% correction has come, and this is the time a lot of quality stocks are available. For those who did not get out at the top, of course, you will be feeling very bad. But those who could, get out at the top, many of us could do that. The market will be giving fresh opportunities to buy here. There will be fresh opportunities of buying that will be coming into the market. Of course, there is panic into the market, but this is a correction that was due for a long time. And now, somewhere till this level, you can start seeing the market. Another stock that was very expensive, and I was talking about it in some of my videos. Let's see here. One of the stocks that I've been talking about was Reliance. I found Reliance to be very expensive, and it was about 1300 plus. So that was where about a month ago I was, should I sell Reliance Industries? So if I look at Reliance Industries here, change it to Reliance. Reliance has also corrected sharply from the top, and it has come down from 1350 almost to 1048 rupees level. And if it breaks this level, there is a further downside that you can see into the stock. In fact, all the gains that it had, it has given them away. And you know, let's see if it takes support at this level. The stocks that have been strong, even in this, carnage on the downside. One of them is TCS. TCS has remained strong, and TCS, there is still some more money flowing into TCS. And one stock which is fundamentally good, market reacted very emotionally to it. We made good money into it, is Yes Bank, which has already come up from the level of 165 to the level of 206 here. And if things go right with this stock, maybe you can see some more buying coming into this market. This is the market in which a lot of fear is there, and this fear needs to be encashed. I always say, if you want to make money into the stock market, learn how to buy the fear and learn how to sell the market. This kind of moves you don't see every day, but this correction in the market is also giving you a lot of opportunities to buy some quality stocks here. So if you want to learn more about it, come into my trainings. There are links down to the free trainings. You can register to them and you can learn more. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you regularly get video updates that are coming on this website. Thank you very much, and see you into one more session.